What's up, riders? Today we're checking out the all-new Bajaj Avenger 400 and answering the big question, is it actually worth your money in 2020? At first glance, the Avenger 400 stays true to its cruiser roots. It gets that low-slung stance, relaxed riding posture, and a much more muscular road presence than the smaller Avengers. The biggest highlight is the expected 373cc liquid-cooled engine, likely borrowed and retuned from the Dominar 400, giving it stronger highway performance while keeping the relaxed cruiser character. On the road, this bike feels built for comfort. The wide handlebars, forward-set foot pegs, and comfortable seat make long-distance rides easy. Features like LED lighting, dual-channel ABS, and a modern digital console bring the Avenger up to today's standards. Now for the downsides. If you're looking for aggressive performance or sporty handling, this isn't that bike. It's designed for cruising, not corner carving. Also, since the bike is still relatively new, long-term reliability remains to be seen. So, is it worth your money? If you want an affordable mid-size cruiser with comfort, style, and enough power for touring, the Bajaj Avenger 400 looks like a solid choice. Rider check? I'd definitely put it on my shortlist.